What to do when brother printer is in error state. For quick solutions. Method 1. Check the USB cable. Step 1. Verify that the USB cable is properly connected to your brother printer and device. Step 2. Check for paper jams. Step 3. Check if your toner has enough ink for print. Method 2. Run the troubleshooter. Step 1. Type troubleshoot settings in the search bar in your Windows, then open it. Step 2. Click on additional troubleshooters. Step 3. Select printer, then click on Run the Troubleshooter button. Method 3. Restart the print spooler. Step 1. Press the Windows plus or keys together to open the Run dialog box. Step 2. Type services.msc and click on OK. Step 3. Scroll down, right-click on the print spooler and select Restart. Method 4. Update printer firmware. Step 1. Ensure your USB cable is properly connected to the device and computer. Step 2. Open your web browser and go to the official website of Brother Support. Step 3. Type your product name, then click Search. Step 4. Click on Downloads. Step 5. Select your operating system and version, then click OK. Step 6. Scroll down to Firmware, then click on Firmware Update tool. Step 7. Read the EULA, then click on Agree. Step 8. Go to your Downloads folder and double-click on the download software to open. Step 9. Select your printer device and click Next. Step 10. Click on the I accept button to collect and store information. Step 11. Click on Next and wait for firmware to update. Step 12. Finally click on Done. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-857-557-6884 +44 161 518 4781.